Today's reading goal is to be able to explain the different compromises made at the Constitutional Convention and the effects on the Constitution. Section 9, Resolution, the Electoral College. After some 60 votes on the issue of how to elect the president, the framers reached another compromise. Neither Congress nor the people, they decided, should choose the president and vice president. Instead, a special body called the Electoral College would elect the government's leaders. The Electoral College system. The Electoral College is made up of electors who cast votes to elect the president and vice president every 4 years. Each state has as many electors in the Electoral College as the number of senators and representatives it sends to Congress. The votes cast by electors are called electoral votes. The delegates left the method of choosing electors up to each state. Before 1820, state legislators chose electors in most states. Today, the people choose their state electors when they vote in presidential elections. The electors then cast their ballots for president and vice president on a date chosen by Congress. Originally, the electors voted for two candidates without saying which one they preferred for president or vice president. The candidate receiving the most votes became president, while the runner-up became vice president. This system caused great confusion in the election of 1800 and was later changed. Political parties and elections. The Electoral College system seems very odd to most Americans today. In our age of instant communication, it is hard to appreciate the framers' concern that voters would not know enough about candidates outside their own state to choose a president wisely. The delegates could not have predicted how quickly communications would improve in the United States, nor could they foresee the rise of national political parties. Within a few years of the convention, political parties were nominating candidates for president and educating voters in every state about those candidates. The Electoral College system still affects presidential elections today. In most states, the candidate who gets the most votes, even if less than a majority, wins all of that state's electoral votes. As a result, a candidate can win a majority in the Electoral College without necessarily winning a majority of the votes cast across the country. In the presidential election of 2000, George W. Bush won the presidency over Al Gore by getting the most Electoral College votes, even though Gore received more votes than Bush in the popular election.